Baby, I'm home. Finally, we get to go to our honeymoon. Woo. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Have you packed everything? Hope you packed because I packed like 2 days ago, baby. Man, I hope these guys don't call me from work because I'm not gonna answer. And
hey, babes.
hey, baby.
How do I look?
What is this? Is this like a role playing? It's not that time of the night yet.
No, baby, come off it. Meet the newest hair hostess for Havana Airline, babes. All these years I've been looking for a job. Now I finally got a job. I can't wait to resume job on Monday. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Babe,
You don't look happy.
we have a honeymoon. I don't understand what you're saying. We've been planning this honeymoon for months. I had to clear my entire schedule. Where did this come from?
Relax. The honeymoon can wait. We can always fix another date for the honeymoon, babe.
Fix another date for the honeymoon.
Yes, baby.
Do you know how long it took me to get this one? Do you know how long it took me to get 1 month of leave from my company?
Do you know how long I've been looking for a job? What if another job doesn't pop up? What if? Huh?
I get it. I understand completely. But our honeymoon. I offered you a job in my company. You refused. Suddenly now you have a job and our honeymoon is in line. It's like some kind of exchange. Come on. Think about me. Think about us. We've been planning this for so long.
Babe, I totally understand. Just relax, okay? Come here. Come. Give me your hand. Come here. Take a deep breath. In and out, okay? Just allow me resume job. Now, I'm gonna resume work. Sign the documentation and everything, and guess what? It's gonna be okay.
I don't know why I have a bad feeling about this.
You have a bad feeling about this? Why? I mean, babe, look, I got you 100%. Listen to me, baby. I got you 100% now. I'll never put anything above you or our marriage. Babe!
Should not take the place of family. Nothing.
Baby!
Nothing. No one should
Babe!
take the place of
Hey, baby boo.
Hey, baby. How are you?
I'm good. How's my baby doing?
She's good too.
Oh, nice. What did you have for dinner?
I had fruit salad. How's it going with work?
This is why I love. You don't support my work, but you still care about it. But I'm so sorry if I spoke out of place earlier.
It's okay. Just get back to me in one piece.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Good night.
should not take the place of nothing should take the place of family, the place of family.
Why would you be pregnant?
I don't understand.
We are not supposed to live with a child.
Kunle, why are you acting as if I just woke up and decided to get pregnant?
Now tell me, who is this young lady who doesn't know when it's safe for her to make love or even to use contraceptive?
Then why didn't you use protection?
Did you ask for it?
Did you insist on using it?
Let me tell you something, Okechi. I am not ready to father a child. So you are getting rid of that pregnancy.
I am not getting rid of any pregnancy. Have you thought about my health? Have you thought about my life? Have you thought about it? Have you thought about it?
Listen to me. This is what every teenage girl do.
Kunle, I am not getting rid of this baby.
Oh, good. I see you've had your mind made up. Well, let me tell you something. we are not going to live with this child.
I'm not getting rid of it. I'm not getting rid of it. What if something happens to me?
Lisa, what is this? What is this doing in our bathroom? Contraceptive? Will you answer me, goddammit? You know I hate being ignored. What is this?
Is that contraceptive?
Don't you dare play dumb with me.
Babe, you need to calm down, okay? You need to relax. You know how long I've waited to get this job.
Waited?
Yeah, I had to wait to work a while so that I could
Waited? So I should wait? We should wait before we can achieve our dreams, our goals of having a child, to become parents? What are you even saying?
Babe, we're young and I just need you to understand.
Understand what? You did the same thing for our honeymoon. You cancelled it. Now you want me to do it again? How long should I wait? How long? Tell me.
Babe, I just want you to wait for a few months, baby. Please, just a few months. That will make me so happy. I mean, I know how you want me to be happy.
Yes. But lately you've been asking too much of me. You've been taking too much of me. What do you want me to do?
Babe, please, just one last time. I beg of you. Please.
I can't do this anymore. I can't. Anything you want to do, go ahead and do it. But I freaking can't do this anymore. What do you think I am? A child? You think I'm a child?
Hey, baby. Welcome.
I mean, what is so urgent that you couldn't wait for me to close from work?
Baby, relax. Take a chill pill, okay? I noticed you've been avoiding me ever since I told you about my pregnancy.
No, I've been very busy with work.
Oh, okay. Anyways, since you have decided not to be part of this pregnancy, I have decided to get rid of it because I can't possibly take care of the child alone.
Oh my God. Are you being serious?
Yes.
Oh my God. I mean, this is the best news I've had so far. See, listen, it's not like I don't want us to keep the child. Just that I don't want us to have children who will pass through the same shit I passed through. Okay?
It's okay. I have a friend who has done it before, so she promised to take me to her gynecologist, but still, the man said it's 42,000, yeah. But I just have 13,000, so are you gonna help me complete it?
That's not a problem. I will send you the money this night. 13,000. I mean, that should be like 29,000, right? You don't have a problem. You know what? I will even send the entire 42,000 naira to you, okay? Just use your other 13,000 naira for milk and malt and all that, okay?
It's alright.
Baby, I'm so proud of you. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to you, okay?
Amen.
Hey, baby. How you doing? You back? Babe? Hey. Yo, what's up? What is it?
Here.
You can't be serious, right? I mean, this is a joke.
It's
right?
not a joke.
No, this is a joke. 8 years. 8 years. How is this possible?
I didn't know, babe. I didn't know.
What do you mean you didn't know me?
I didn't even know he had anything like that in
Know
there.
what? What do you mean you don't know? How is that possible?
I was so excited. I just signed the contract.
Who
without even
signs a contract without reading? Were you not the one that was supposed to bring this thing to us so that we can go through it and figure it out together? 8 years, you cannot have any pregnancy for the first 8 years of working in this company. Surely this is bullshit now.
I don't know, babes. I'm so sorry.
You're so sorry. No, wait. What are you sorry for? You're not going ahead with this. Are you? Melissa.
Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I signed it. I just signed
No,
it.
surely you are not going ahead. You're not working there anymore.
On the contrary, it's an irrevocable contract. Didn't you see it?
I don't care what I saw or what I read. You are not working there.
Well,
Clearly, you cannot be serious.
babe.
You can't be serious.
Okay. That's fine. I have a solution to this problem. Why don't we adopt a child? Maybe, please. Let's adopt a child, please.
Adopt a child. Less than 1 year into our marriage. Is there something wrong with you?
Okay, that's fine. I mean, what about surrogacy? We can get a host body to carry our child, and that's it.
Melissa, is there something wrong with you? Are you delusional? I'm done with this conversation.
Baby, come on.
Good afternoon, Barrister Mike.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ryan. How is the family?
I'm good. Everyone is good. We're all good. Everything is smooth. Thank you. Yes. Barrister Mike, I called you because I wanted to pick your brain on something.
Okay. What is it?
Is there a way for someone to go around or over an irrevocable contract?
No, there isn't. The penalty usually stated on the contract, and if broken, it could result to some serious jail time. What happened? Did you sign any contract of such?
Oh no! It's not for me. It's for. I'm asking for a friend. Yeah, it's some guy that had some issues, and I said I was gonna ask my lawyer.
Except he or she knows for a fact that they can
Right.
deliver on the contract, they shouldn't
Okay.
sign.
All right, bye. Thank you. Nice one.
you probably go and sell your organs to those institutions that need it. Ah! Have you lost it? Oh my God.
He was my everything. He was my everything. I gave him 4 years of my life. He promised to get married to me when things become better. I believed him. Just 4 months ago, I got rid of our baby because to me, I felt it's because he just can't take care of the baby, or he just couldn't take care of the baby.
Oh my God.
Little did I know that he had another woman. Little did I know that the only reason he deceived me into getting rid of that child is because he has another woman in his life.
Oh my gosh. I am so sorry about this. I'm so sorry. Okay?
It's fine. I got to his house. Lo and behold, I saw a pregnant woman. A woman that is carrying his child in her womb. So he wanted the child all along. Then he deceived me. He deceived me. The same child that he told me that he wasn't ready to care for is the same child another woman is carrying for him.
Men? Men will stain your white. What? He did all that to you?
You know what? I blame myself for being so soft. I shouldn't have been soft. That is why he obviously took me for granted. Maybe if I had insisted, he wouldn't have done this to me.
I'm so sorry about this. I'm so sorry. I mean, this is... You don't even have to blame yourself for love. I mean, who blames themselves for love? You don't have to regret anything. I'm sure you did everything you did because you felt it. And it was the best thing for you to do at that moment. Just know that, one day, God will just send the right man for you. Someday. Maybe. Okay? You don't have to regret it at all. Alright?
Men are scum.
I know. Men are trash. Men would always stay in your right.
The same pregnancy. The same baby he never wanted me to keep for him. Another woman is keeping it for him. He never loved me.
I understand. It's okay. I'm so sorry about this. Alright?
It's okay.
Let's just go.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. You're welcome. Okay? I mean, I just want you to take good care of yourself, okay? And I would, come see you one of these days so to check up on you and see how you're faring.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's alright. It's alright. Take good care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Okay.
So drive safe.
Oh,
Okay?
of course I will.
And it was nice meeting you.
It was
okay?
nice meeting you too.
Bye.
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 Hey, baby. Hey. What do we have here? You having jollof rice?
Yeah.
Let me have some. Delicious. So, baby, let me go upstairs and freshen up.
Sure.
Okay? Baby. Baby, I know you're not happy with me when I left for work today. And I'm so sorry. I mean, I wouldn't do anything to get you upset. That's why I want to apologize for not going through that silly document. Okay? I'm deeply sorry, babe. I signed it, I know. So, I'm sorry.
So what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Let's just get somebody to carry our child.
I already said no to that proposal. I didn't marry a barren wife. I didn't marry a barren woman. Why should another woman carry my child? Why? Why?
Baby, I'm not barren. I'm not barren. I just, that's why they'll be using my eggs. Babe, please. I beg you.
I said no. No.
Why?
I do not agree to this.
Baby. Babe. Please. I beg of you, please.
The contract is irrevocable.
Yes, baby. Yes. Yes, babe.
And you cannot resign.
No, baby, I can't. I can't, babe.
Okay, you know what? Whoever the surrogate is, the host body,
Yes.
has to be someone that we both know. It cannot be a stranger. I will not allow a total stranger to carry my own child.
Okay.
And she has to be in this house. She has to live in this house, and we have to monitor every single thing she does. Do you understand me?
Okay, babe. That's no problem. I'm gonna get somebody. I promise. Baby. Ah! Thank you so much. You're the best. Well, I'm not here to mock your situation or anything like that, but you're the first person that came to mind when my husband agreed. Well, I know you're in a dark situation right now. I mean, a dark situation. But maybe this is an opportunity for you to come to light.
I'll do it.
You mean you'll do it.
Yes, I'm sure I'll do it.
Okay, perfect. And now you have to come with me so I can introduce you to my husband. Because we have to get this procedure going because I need to resume work next week.
Okay, it's fine. Let me get a change of clothes or something.
Okay, I trust you. Hi. Hey babe, this is Oge, the girl I told you about.
Classmate.
Yes.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, I guess my wife has explained everything to you.
Oh, yes. She told me what I needed to do and then she said she would do the rest.
Okay, that's good. So first of all, we're going to do some tests at the hospital to make sure that you are healthy enough to carry our child.
Okay.
Then we are going to do a first transfer of 5 million naira. Then after the successful delivery of our baby, we do another 5 million naira.
And if the delivery isn't successful?
Well, I'm sorry, there's nothing we can do. We can only send 1 million naira to you as compensation. Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. That's what we have agreed. And also, throughout the duration of the pregnancy, you're going to be staying here with us because it is our plan to bond with our baby even before it is born. If that's...
It's okay.
Okay, should we go to the doctor now?
Yes, I think we can.
Sorry.
Sorry, okay, can you help us wait outside?
Exactly.
Oh, sure.
Thank you. Just a few minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Babe, are you sure about this woman? She seems like she doesn't know what she's doing.
Baby, relax. She's the perfect person for this. I mean, she's just going through a serious heartbreak. That's it.
Okay, that's the more reason why I think she's not emotionally stable to carry our child. What if it affects the whole pregnancy?
Babe, on the contrary, she is the perfect person for this job. Trust me. Okay, did you notice anything? Was she saying no to anything we're saying? No, because she literally doesn't care. Look, let's just allow her have our child. Let's take care of her. Then once she handles our child to us, then we'll be fine. Everybody's good. That's it. Baby?
Fine, just go ahead, wait for me at the car, get the keys.
Okay, babe. Okay, perfect. My bag? So, talk to us.
It's positive.
Oh, yes!
I'm sorry.
It hasn't been formed yet.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Okay. Baby. Oh. Oh, I'm so happy.
Congratulations to us.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Congratulations to us, baby. Oh, I'm so happy. We're the luckiest couples in the world.
Maybe you should celebrate.
We should celebrate.
Yes, we should, but no alcohol for you. Huh?
Yes.
Let me go get something.
Sure, go ahead. Anything you want. You can order cake, shawarma, anything you want.
Oh my god, babe. Oh.
Fine.
I'm so sweet. You. So, take good care of yourself and okay, including the baby. Okay?
Don't worry about anything. I'll take good care of both of them.
Okay, and make sure she doesn't do any strenuous activities.
I will do all the activities.
But the doctor asked me to be doing some exercises.
No. We will walk every evening, and that's enough exercise for the day, please.
Okay, perfect. So, I have to go now.
Okay, ma. Safe
See
trip.
ya. Yeah. Oh, thank you, baby.
Drive safe. I'll call you back.
Thank you.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Oh, okay, you scared me there.
Come in. Oh, sir.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Good. I'm about to go to bed, so I thought to check up on you. How do you feel?
I feel good. We're fine. I and the baby, we're good.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Sure.
Anything at all.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Sit down. Listen. Easy. You can lie down. Are you comfortable? You okay?
Fine.
You said your leg was pinning you. Let me help you. Come on.
Nothing, no one should take the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and class should not take the place.
Baby, come on. You're the best.
Nothing,
Baby.
I
love you so much. Stop. Stop.
Career and class should not take the place of The place of family.
Almost there. Okay. Easy. You can do this. Okay, look at me. Listen to me. Just breathe. Just keep going. Keep going.
I can't.
Almost there. Okay, one more step. Just one more step. Keep breathing. Let's go. Come on. Take one more step. Let's go.
The place of those who were most important.
How is she?
She's good. It's a baby girl.
Oh my god.
We have a baby girl, Melissa. We have a baby. A baby girl, Melissa. The midwives are cleaning her up. I'm going back home to pick up a few things.
I don't even know how to
I
feel
know.
right now.
I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Me too. I love you so much more, baby. I love you so much more. I love you.
Wow. Oh my god, I'm so happy you did this, man. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Hey.
Sir, she's sleeping.
Yes, I sang her to sleep.
Oh.
How are you doing? How do you feel?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Okay. Why don't I make something for you, like something to eat?
No, I'm okay. Trust me, I'm fine.
No. You are not okay. The nurse specifically said you must eat several times a day because the baby takes a lot away from you. It's not easy now. I mean, it's not easy. Come on.
Okay.
Let me make something for you. Hey. Hello. I made some cereal for you, cornflakes with milk. Just something to whet your appetite, okay?
Thank
Hopefully
you.
we can quickly make something when Melissa... Let me check up on Sapphire.
I will give the word to have a man love me and my child like this. I am not his wife, yet he treats me like an egg, just because I carried his child. How then would he treat me if I eventually become his wife?
Nothing, no one should take the place of those who were most important. Money, work, your career.
Where's my baby?
Should not
Where's
take the
she?
place.
She's upstairs.
The place of
Maybe you're going to wake up.
nothing, no one should take the place of those who were most important.
I want to say very, very big thank you on behalf of me and my husband. I know what we've been giving you is not enough. I mean, the money. I know you can't even equate everything you've done for us. So I want to say thank you. And I'm so grateful from the depth of my heart. Our door is always opened for you.
Thank you.
Lest I forget, if you need anything, I mean, in case you need anything, we're always here for you. Unlike some surrogacy that they neglect their host body, access to their child. And in case you need to see Sapphire, you're always welcome to say hello to her.
Thank you very much, Ma.
You're welcome. Come on, Faith. Never mind. It's okay.
So let me go pack up my stuff.
Okay, perfect.
Good night.
Good night.
No one should take the place of those who were most important. Money, work your
Oops. I'm sorry if I startled you.
No, it's totally fine. It's fine.
I came to take water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've put Sapphire to sleep, so I decided to come take water before I can join her.
Oh, she's so adorable.
I know, right?
Yes, she is.
She is actually.
Yeah.
When are you leaving for work again?
That should be next week. Why?
Next week?
Yeah.
How about Sapphire? Who will take care of her?
Oh, come on, Ryan. Ryan's got this agent that's got this nanny to take care of Sapphire.
Oh,
Mhm.
I see.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I mean, if you don't mind, I can do it. I'll do the job of the nanny.
No. Come on. I mean, you've done enough already. I mean, you've done so much for us. I really don't want to stress you with all of this at all.
Come on. On the contrary, you'll be doing me a huge favor. I mean, there is nothing outside. The past 1 year living with you guys has been so amazing. So I wouldn't mind doing this for free.
Okay, that's fine. But I have to speak to Ryan about it.
It's okay.
Okay. Come on. Hey, baby.
You went to see Sapphire?
No, matter of fact, I didn't.
I'm sure she's sad that she's leaving Sapphire soon.
Yes, she is. She's really, really sad. But
Yeah.
that's why I think we should offer her the nanny position. What do you think?
No, come on. There's no way she's going to accept. After all the money we paid her for the pregnancy.
Well, on the contrary, she offered to do it.
She did?
Mm-hmm. She did.
Wow. Okay. Well, I hope she knows that it's nowhere near the amount of money we paid her for pregnancy. This is just mere salary for being a nanny.
Well, to me, I feel like this is not about money for her. It's about where she feels more comfortable, somewhere more like home to her.
Well, this solves a really big problem for us. I've been thinking and worried. Who do I leave our beautiful daughter with? It's such a big problem. She's so young and she needs all the right protection.
What did you just say?
What?
No, I mean, what you just said. Say it again.
What did I say?
What you just said now. Say it again.
Who to leave our beautiful daughter with?
Exactly. Oh my God. I feel so good. Sounds so good.
Yeah, it does. It sounds so good to finally be parents, huh?
Yes, it does. Finally, Papa Sapphire.
Yes. Mama Sapphire.
Oh, come on, baby.
Mama Sapphire. Huh?
Stop. Love you.
I love you too.
Mm.
Yeah, well, it does feel good to say we have a child together. Huh?
Yes.
We're finally parents.
Yes, we're gonna be parents. In fact, your Papa Sapphire.
Yes. Mama Sapphire.
Wait, stop. Oh, I'm so happy.
It does feel great. I'm excited that she's going to be here.
Yes, I am. So make sure she eats well. Let me help you. Oh, thank you. Make sure she eats well.
Okay.
And make sure she sleeps well, okay?
Okay, Mom.
What else am I forgetting? Oh, make sure if her food finishes, kindly remind my husband, okay?
Of course, Ma, I will.
And in case you notice anything, call for my husband's attention. All right?
Okay, Ma. Yes, Ma.
Am I clear?
Yes, Ma.
So I have to go now. Take care of yourself.
Safe trip, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Let me open the door for you.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey. Welcome, sir.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. And how's work today?
It was good. Did you go out?
Oh, no. I mean, where can I possibly go to when we have Sophia in the house?
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
How is she doing, by the way?
She's doing what every 2-year-old should do. Sleeping.
Sure. Anyways, let me know when she wakes up, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Sure. Sir,
Yes.
the table is set.
Okay. I'll be right down.
Sir, it's noodles and it's very, very hot. I wouldn't want it to get cold.
Okay. All right, thank you. I'll be right. I'm coming. Just hold on.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's... Good evening, sir.
Hey, good evening. How are you?
Yeah. Sophia is asleep, so I thought to catch up with this program.
Oh, you watch this too?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
It's my favorite program. I watch it every Friday.
Me? Really? It's one of my favorite TV show. I don't miss it
Really?
at all.
Wow. That makes the two of us then.
Indeed. Indeed. How do you feel though? How are you doing?
I'm okay. I'm
You
fine.
good?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Okay, it has started.
Sir, how do you cope?
Cope.
I mean, with your wife not being around, she's always busy with work. How do you cope?
Oh, about that. Well, it wasn't easy at first. It wasn't easy. But I think I'm getting used to it. And especially with you and Sapphire around, it's gotten a lot better.
Right? I see.
It's been a while I heard from him.
Who?
Your ex. I think the guy that was with you before my wife met you. What's up with him?
Oh, him.
Yeah.
I blocked him on all social media platforms. I don't want to contact. I don't have any contact with him again. I don't care. I don't.
I understand.
Sir, I want to go get a glass of juice. I don't know if you care for.
I wouldn't mind.
Okay. Here, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I sit close to you?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
You stop that. This is my matrimonial home. I'm married.
I know.
So you can't be playing with me like this if you know.
Come on, why are you acting like we haven't done this before? Listen, Ryan, I enjoyed it, and I know you enjoyed it too.
It's not about what I enjoyed or what you enjoyed. It's about right and wrong. This is wrong. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, stop it. It was once, one time, and that's it.
Ryan, I've already fallen in love with you. I want you. I want more of you. This isn't over yet. Hi, Mom.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, welcome.
Hey, baby.
Baby.
Your baby's back from work.
I'm surprised you didn't call me that you were coming. This is such a...
No, baby. I got a few days of work and I decided to see the most important peoples in my life.
Wow.
Yeah. Is Sapphire in school?
Yes, she's in school and I'll be going to pick her up.
Please do. Okay, baby?
Yeah.
Help me with my bag.
Sure. Oh, it's good to see you.
You too, babes. How's your day been?
It's been good.
Okay. You got anything to eat?
You know, Sophia is 2 years old. She doesn't need another nanny.
What are you saying?
I'm saying she's grown. She's old enough. We don't need Oge in this place, in this house, babysitting her. In fact, I can take good care of her myself.
You
Yes.
take care of a 2-year-old. Then what will happen to your business?
That's the point. I have a business. People running it. I can go there anytime I want. Look, babe, haven't you noticed how our daughter doesn't care about our presence? She doesn't know when we're here, when we're gone. She's grown so much into Oge that she doesn't even recognize that. If we don't deal with this relationship now, it's going to affect us and our daughter in the future.
Okay, so I totally get your point, but are you insinuating we leave Oge off our duties?
Yes. That is exactly what I'm saying. We don't need her here anymore. We're fine.
Okay, that's fine. I'll speak to her about it. No, I got you.
So how was your day?
My day was boring.
Boring?
Mm.
No. You
What?
look too amazing for it to be boring.
Oh.
I'm sure the moment you walked out, sunrise and sunshine everywhere.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
So you're making breakfast?
So I just thought it wise to wake up early before everyone to make breakfast, especially for Sophia.
Oh, Sophia should not be experiencing anything like that.
Yeah, she shouldn't be experiencing anything like hunger, right?
I swear. Come to think of it, you know you've been with us for the past 3 years now, right?
Yeah.
And you've been helping us build our family. I feel like it's high time you build yours, don't you think?
Ma, but I'm not complaining. I like it here.
I know you're not, but you're not getting any younger, you know, right? And that's why I've decided to relieve you of all your duties. And this is not on the table for debate, okay? At least you've tried, you've been with us for a while, so it's time to go out there and make a life for yourself so that we'll be able to celebrate you.
And Sophia?
Don't worry, Sophia is fine. You know Ryan is good with kids, but I should be thanking you for helping me hold my family together. I mean, without you, only God knows where my family would have been by now. Thank you so much. Okay? Hug.
Sure.
All right. See you later.
All right, see you.
Bye.
So this is all your plan to get me out of this house, right?
Melissa is upstairs. What are you doing?
She's feeding Sophia. Why are you doing this to me?
What did you think would happen after that night?
Something beautiful, something good, something nice, something sweet, just like what you have with Melissa.
That will never happen. Melissa is my wife.
And I'm the one here with you. I'm the one taking care of your child. I'm the one who carried your child.
You didn't do that for me. Stop it. We paid you. We paid you well. You did it for the money. So stop all this.
You know, I thought you were different. I thought you're different, but no, you're just like Kunle. You used me, and now you've run back to your wife.
Hey, babes. Why are you crying?
No, I'm not crying. I'm not. I was just telling your husband that I will miss you both.
Oh, come on. Come here. We'll miss you too. You'll be fine.
Yeah, take care of Sophia for me.
Of course I will. Be safe.
So we're going to keep in touch. And if we need your services again, we'll definitely let you know.
Yes, we will. Take care.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing, nothing, no one should take.
Sweetie. No, Sapphire. No, Sapphire. No. We talked about this. No littering the living room. Okay? Now go upstairs, change your clothes. Freshen up first, change your clothes, come downstairs. I made something for you.
What did you prepare?
Your favorite.
Jollof and plantain fish.
Jollof and plantain and fish. High five. Come on, go upstairs, sweetheart. Let's go. Take your shoes. Let's go. This way. This way. I love you. Bye. Go. Go. Quickly. We had fruit salad. Of course, baby girl only wants to be like daddy. I miss you too, baby. Great. We will be waiting for you. Yes? Except for your job.
Nothing, no one should take the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and class should not take the place of family. Nothing.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Pastor Samuel.
Okay. So how may I help you?
I just had a revelation for you from the Lord.
Can I beg you something? Please, this revelation thing is what I don't like. I am busy scouting for a job, please. I am not in the right frame for this, okay? Huh?
You've been looking for a job, right? For the past 4 years, all to no avail.
Sorry. How did you get to know about this?
The Holy Spirit revealed it to me.
The Holy Spirit.
You see, there is someone you offended in the past, and the person placed a curse.
Pastor Samuel or whatever thing you call yourself. The Holy Spirit knows I have never offended anybody. Please, just let me be.
A few years back, you got a young lady pregnant. You forced her to get rid of the pregnancy, and in the process, you abandoned her. Do you remember any incident like this? Please think clearly.
But, man of God, you just said many years ago. I don't know, like, where do I start searching this from?
Exactly 7 years.
7 years ago, okay?
Think clearly. Do you remember?
I'm trying to, yes.
Well, if you do, that's the reason behind your struggles.
So what do I do now?
It's quite simple. You find the young lady and seek for her forgiveness.
Nothing.
Mom, when you take me with you to work?
Ooh, you want to go to work with me?
Because I want to start attending for an evening.
Oh, so you want to be a flight attendant like mommy?
No, just want to say you do it.
So, you don't want to be a flight attendant like me?
No, I want to be an attendant like that so that I'll always be at home and eat plenty food.
Ooh, plenty food, look at you! You're so naughty, foodie. I like so much food! Look at you, so cute.
Hey, baby.
Who's your daddy? Daddy's here.
Mom, when we have a brother like my friend Chichi, every time Daddy takes me to the house, I see them playing together.
Sweetheart, come on, don't say that. Daddy's always here to play with you.
Sometimes he is busy drawing buildings.
Okay, sweetie, time for you to go to bed.
Yeah.
Come on, sweetie. Come on now. Come on, come on.
Okay.
Give me that beautiful handshake that we have.
Ooh.
I love you. I love you.
Oh, my little angel. So, yes. That handshake, I want to learn it too. Really?
I'll teach you.
Perfect. Baby. What? What?
It's been 7 years, Melissa.
Okay, 7 years since what?
Since you've been working.
Oh, that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that.
Mm.
It's time you take a maternity leave.
Maternity leave.
Yes.
Why, babe? I mean, we have a child already.
We have a child already, a child who is old enough and asking for a sibling. And I want another child.
Come on, baby. You can't possibly believe Sapphire.
Of course I believe Sapphire. Because that's what I want to.
Hey. It's just 1 year remaining.
It's just 1 year, just one. That's all you keep saying. It's 1 year. 1 year that feels like 10 years. How long do I have to keep waiting?
Baby. Okay. Let's have the baby. Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I mean, let's have the baby. Yes, we should. I mean, come, let's call the doctor now so we can have another host baby.
Melissa!
Yes.
Seriously!
Another host body for you. Baby! Babe!
Should not take the place of family. Nothing, no one should take the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and class should not take.
Good morning, baby. Baby. Babe, come on. I know you get so uncomfortable whenever you're upset, okay? And I understand. Even the reason why you left me here to sleep up by myself to meet her downstairs, sleep with her. I know your wife. Babe, please, I beg of you. Aside you and Sapphire, my job is the only important thing to me right now. My job is the only thing that makes me happy right now, babe. So I just want this favor, and whatever it is you want from me, moving forward, I will do it for you. I promise, please. Baby.
Okay, Melissa. I will call Dr. Enoch and we will find another host.
Baby. For real?
I need to take a shower, okay, please.
Okay, baby. I'm coming in!
Good afternoon, Auntie. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, my little princess. Sophia, how are you?
You know my name?
Of course. I used to carry you when you were little.
How is that I don't know you?
Don't worry, my love. You won't understand. Okay? Do me a favor. Go up and call your parents. Tell them your nanny is around. Alright?
I don't have any nanny.
Just do as I have said, Mama. Good girl. So smart and intelligent. Not bad if I offer myself a seat.
Yeah, so let me call you back. Hey, sweetie. How are you?
I am fine, Mommy.
Okay.
There is a lady in the living room wanting to see you.
A lady in the living room. Do you know her?
No, Mommy, but she said she was my nanny.
Your what?
My nanny.
So what happened?
Nothing happened. I just went back to my old apartment and started living with the money you gave to me.
The money I gave to you. But you have money. Why again are you doing this?
You already know my story with Kunle, right? Living here was more painful than when Kunle left me. I mean, you already made me part of this family. Like, I really felt welcomed. And that is what I've always wanted. And again, I miss Sophia.
Babe,
Yeah.
are you okay? You look worried.
I don't feel comfortable with Oge coming back to this house.
Oge. Same Oge. The Oge that used to pamper. Come on now, babe. Come off it.
That was when she was pregnant of Sapphire.
Babe, you have to be comfortable, Oge. Okay? She's about to carry a second child.
Look, I don't feel comfortable. Something feels off. I just don't want it.
Babe. Babe. You'll be fine.
So why didn't you inform me about the host before bringing her into this house?
Well, you didn't ask to know the identity of the host.
Look, you should have told me. At least say something. Just inform me. Always let me know.
I felt that you'll be happy knowing that it's the same person that you were comfortable with carrying your child.
Isn't there anyone else that is willing to do this? Anyone. There has to be someone else. I'm going to add extra 200,000.
Well, Oge is the only person available now. But if you ask me, I think she's perfect.
Okay. Later.
Nothing, no one should take the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and class should not take the place of family. Nothing, no one should take the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and
So we wait
class
for 2
should
weeks
not
and
take
see.
the place.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you can go upstairs and relax. Baby. I blessed the day I bumped into her.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
There's only one way I can get pregnant, Ryan. Only one way.
Nothing, nothing, no one should take
Just one way.
the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and class should not take the place.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I miss you, and I know you miss me too. Hey, forget about what happened 4 years ago, okay? I forgive you. So just feel free.
The only thing I regret is ever having anything to do with you. That will never happen again. That haunts me to this very day. And I don't want to ever have anything to do with you again.
You regret?
Yes, I do. Yes, I regret it. And it haunts me till this day. If it wasn't for this surrogacy, you wouldn't be here right now.
Well, I'm here, and I'm carrying your child, okay? Why don't we just get on with it and...
I've told you this before, and I will tell you this again. I will never have anything to do with you. Not in this life, not in the next. Get this into your head. I don't know what's wrong with you, but get it into your head.
The only thing that will stop me from having you is having you. I'ma have you, honey.
So? Hey, baby. So, I'm going to pick up Sapphire. So, I'll be taking Sapphire to the mall from school today to buy ice cream.
That would be nice.
Babe, you know it's high time me and Sapphire, start bonding. And maybe someday we can create our own handshake.
I see. Well, it can never be better than ours.
Oh, please. I know. But whatever. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay. What are you doing here?
You know, the procedure didn't work. Isn't it obvious that we are destined to do it the traditional way?
Listen to me. Listen to me really good. This will be the last time you will come into my bedroom when my wife is not around. Do you understand what I'm saying?
You're choking me.
And I will choke you to death if you don't listen to me. Get out of here.
For your information, I am on contraceptive and I will not get pregnant except you do it the traditional way. And if you tell your wife, I will let her know how sweet in bed you are. If you need me, you know where to find me. So, he turned me down again because of that good-for-nothing woman who doesn't even know how to keep a home. Really? No matter what, I will remain in this house. And I must be Ryan's wife.
Cool. Okay. Ogechi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please give me a cup of juice?
Oh, sure. One sec.
Thank you. Okay. Oh.
Here you go.
Okay. One sec. Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I have the package here. So I should take pictures of it? I'll send it to you now. Okay, right away, sir. Okay, sir.
Auntie, can I get it, please?
This? No, honey, this is for your mom, okay?
You get another one for her.
No, this is for your mom. Stop crying. It's for mom. It's not for you.
Yeah.
She wants to drink the drink that is meant for you, your juice. She wants me to give her your juice. Told her that.
Give it to her. We can get another one.
Oh?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, you.
Oh! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Could be another one. Sorry, baby. You okay? Sorry, my love. Sorry. Hurry up, Ogechi. Sorry, okay?
Mommy, here you go.
Don't drink it, Mom. She poured something inside the drink.
Sweetheart. What are you saying?
I saw her adding a substance into the drink before coming out with it.
No, Ma, that's not true. I didn't add anything. Besides, she wasn't even there when I was pouring the juice, okay? I made sure I took her to bed.
I wasn't in bed.
No, Ma, I didn't do it. I mean, how can I possibly poison a good woman like you? A woman who has given me reason to leave. I didn't...
What is going on here? What is all this noise about?
I saw Auntie Oge putting something inside mom drink and she's denying it.
That's not true. I didn't put anything inside, Usa. I did not. I didn't.
Babe, are you sure?
Yes, mom.
Ma, I did not. Trust me, I did not. I didn't.
Then drink it.
Ryan.
Huh?
If she didn't put anything inside the drink, she shouldn't have a problem drinking it. So drink it.
You know what, guys? I will change it.
Drink it.
Let me just go get another
You will
drink.
do no
Drink
such thing.
it.
Drink it. Okay, drink this. Drink.
Oh,
Drink it.
okay.
Drink.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Drink.
Sophia, have you asked your parents who gave birth to you?
What? Baby, can you go inside? Okay, I'm coming in now.
Mom.
What?
Okay. Hey, Sophia, just listen to mommy, okay? Go upstairs to your room.
Baby, go
Right now.
upstairs.
Thank you, sweetie. I love you.
You tried to poison me, and now you're trying to poison my daughter's mind. I'm calling the police.
Why not ask your husband here what we've been doing in your absence?
Baby? What is she talking about?
She's just trying to distract this conversation. This is not about me. This is about her.
Really?
You're going to drink this, okay?
Tell her how you've been smushing, kissing me. Tell her how hard you scream my name, how you said I'm sweet. Just tell her everything.
You shut your dirty mouth!
Baby, what's going on here?
How we've been doing it. Drink what?
Baby. Answer me! What is she talking about?
It was a one-time mistake. It was one time, and I regretted it. And it never happened again. I promise you. Hey! I'm sorry. I can explain. It's not what you think. I promise. It was just a one-time mistake. And I regretted it so much.
You have been sleeping with her?
I've not been sleeping with her. It was a one-time mistake and it never happened again. Please, listen to me.
Oh my God. You know what? Tomorrow morning, I'm going to leave your house with my daughter.
You're not going to do anything like that. You will do no such thing. You're not leaving this house with my daughter.
Watch me!
Melissa. Melissa.
Mom, are you okay?
Yes, baby. I'm okay. Come. I'm gonna see Grandma tomorrow. Okay. I'm fine.
Jude. Half a brother. How you doing now? What's going on?
How are you doing and your wife, bro?
I'm good. We're good. We're good. Everything's fine. How's you and Choma now?
Choma has made me proud as a man, bro. I'm very happy.
Really? What did she do?
Bro, she gave me a bouncing baby boy. I wish you were here to celebrate with me.
Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. But how come? I thought she worked at the same airline as Melissa.
Of course, bro. Bro, please, just...
And it's not even... it's not up to a year, right?
Bro, 11 months to be precise.
Okay, sorry, Jude. I just want you to help me check something. I'm going to send you a picture of some documents. I just want you to help me send it to your wife to confirm if it's the same documents that she signed. Just hold on. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp now.
Bro, is everything alright?
No. Everything is fine, bro. Everything is okay. I just want your wife to help me do this. Please, just do this for me, bro. I beg. I know it's not the right time. Just do this for me. Hi, Choma. Congratulations. So about the documents, please, I just want you to confirm if it's the same.
I've seen them, and the only one that is valid is the one about the salary. Every other one is forged.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure about it.
Thank you very much, Choma. Thank you. I'll call Jude back. Tell him I'll call him back. Congratulations once again. And where do you think you're going with her?
I thought you were leaving. Oh, leaving?
You're not going anywhere with my daughter. Besides, I raise her myself. You will not go anywhere with her.
Says who? You know what? I don't even have time for this. I'll come back for her later. Sweetie, come. Mommy is gonna come back for you, okay? Go.
Go upstairs, Sapphire.
There's no form of remorse or anything. Did you ever love me, or was this just a lie? Huh?
Why did you lie to me about this, Melissa?
Wait, are you trying to flip this on me now, or?
There was no irrevocable contract, was there?
You know what? I don't even have time for this. Like I said, I'm gonna come back.
Melissa, I went to your workplace and they told me there was no such thing like this that existed. This does not exist. Imagine how I felt when I found out that my wife forged an entire document.
I can explain. I mean, let me explain.
Can you explain? Melissa, since you have decided to leave this house on your own, leave this place and never come back. Go and explain it to your people. My lawyer is going to send you the divorce papers and you must sign it. I don't want you near my house or this life ever again. Do you understand?
Baby, Ryan, please. Ryan!
No one should take the place of those who are most important. Money, work, your career and class should not take the place of family. Nothing, no one should take the place of those who are most in